Okay, hi and welcome to the safelist training. Here you can email 1,000 members in this website for totally free. This one is also a really great one because it's been out for a very long time, and you get a lot of conversion, mean you get a lot of clicks and a lot of free traffic. So after you sign up, you can click here and sign up for it. You're gonna log in and we're gonna get you started. Let me just plug in my information really quick here. Well, not really here. Let me just copy this real quick. So I'm gonna come to my email. So after you sign up, it's gonna start sending you emails. So what you want to do is I'm just gonna click that right here, and it's gonna I'm gonna look for this. Safelist Joe. Click it right here, and here you go. So what you want to do, you want to come to your email. You want to come to your email right here. After you come to your email, you want to scroll down all the way to the bottom where it's right here. Here you can view the website and can earn a credit. So you need a certain amount of credits to send out a certain amount of mail in this website. So you're gonna go here. It's gonna tell you right here. You can rate it if you want. And here you can see the advertisement. When it runs down, it's gonna say you earn credit, and you just click that off. You go here, and in your email, you're gonna see how that's highlighted. That means you already clicked that one. And we're just gonna do a couple of these. Gonna go down, and you're gonna click here, and there you go. It's open again. Credit's gonna go. And sometimes I just like kind of open a couple of them, so they can run the ads, and like you can just start like closing them out. So you need a certain amount of credits to send out a mail, unless you are some type of pay members. If you want, you can pay to get credits, and you can also advertise your business like that. Through the website, so because you get hundreds of thousands of members in here. So this one is gonna go down. Then you can close it. And we want to come here. I'm gonna close this one out. And I'm gonna close this one out. We're gonna click like a couple more. You just wanna make sure we have enough credits. And how you're gonna find out you're gonna have credits is when we log into the site in a couple minutes. So you're gonna click this. Go back here. You wanna click another one. And you're gonna wanna, when you're in your email, guys, you're gonna wanna search it so you can so they can be like all together instead of like you searching for them. But mostly they are gonna be together. You just click like that. And here another one open. Scroll down to the bottom where you see view for credit. Here, this one is all done. This one is all done. And here you can see it's running right now. There goes someone advertisement. You wait till it finishes. It's gonna give you the credit. Boom. There go your credit. There you go. You close that out. Close that out. It's already giving you a credit. You want to close that out. And yeah, you got to do like a few of them, guys. Just go through them. This do not take as long as you think that it take. So just like, let's go through it real quick. Keep clicking. Just go through a few of them, guys, so you can have enough credit. So now I'm gonna log into the website and check if I have at least 1,000 credits, so I can send to 1,000 members. You can here you're gonna see the offer. If you don't know how to escape this, you're gonna want to click at the side of your screen right here, or just tap the down key on your keyboard. It's gonna go all the way down. If you're interested in this offer, you're interested, but I'm not. I'm here for the free advertisement, so I'm gonna click no thanks, and there you're gonna go. And here you're gonna go. You can see me. My name is Nicholas, and what you want to do is you want to go to your account and click send mail, and you see the drop down bar. You click on send mail right here, and then it's gonna load up the screen right now. Okay, so after it comes to this page, it's gonna tell you, you can send up to 1,000. So yeah, my account is a free account, so I can send up to 1,000 each 3 days. So what I want to do is go down. So I'm just gonna click down, and here it tells you how much credit you have, and here you can see how much credit I have. I have a couple of thousands. Here you can see like the downline. I got 6 people on da. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, you can have like previous email. I did send previous email because I've been doing this for a long time. And here you go. You come down here, and you could put your link here. I'm gonna put in my link, guys, right here, and I'm gonna hit I'm just gonna put in the proper link, guys, and I'm gonna hit like, you can put in whatever. I'm just gonna put in this, because this is the business I own and I'm advertising right now. And you want to put in any text art in here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna open this out, guys. I'm gonna go to the website right now. Here's the website. I'm gonna click the login button, and I'm gonna log into my user and put in my password, guys. Okay, put in my password, hit the login button, and here I'm gonna go to the promote center. The promote center, where it has the ads and everything. Here is your link, your affiliate link. You can use this as a free or upgrades. You can use this. You can use the banners also. Okay, then we can go down here, and what we want to do is I'm gonna go down to the last one, guys, and I'm gonna copy this whole thing. Just give me 1 minute, guys. Okay, gonna copy this text. You're gonna bring it here. You're gonna do that, and you're gonna paste it right into here. And you got everything set up right here. And what you want to do is hit that message. Make sure you have your link with your username right here at the end, question mark, slash the website, question mark, so you can get credited. Okay, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit this message right here. And there we go. When you see it say, thank you for sharing your mail, you can come back in the next couple of days and you can do this again. Okay, guys, so that's it, guys, on how to do this mailer stuff. And if you need any more help, let me know.